Hey guys, this is Food with Shayne, and today we're going to be eating at Buffalo Wild Wings. I've never been to this place before, so let's find out.
I could go out in the dark, I see you calling my name. I hear you shouting, hear you calling, but it's not the same. Every word that you are throwing.
Let's say that you're ready to eat some spicy food.
Is there anything else that you recommend with the bun?
So that's their spiciest sauce.
Okay then, alright. And then
Blazin.
things that will help.
Alright guys, so Buffalo Wild Wings. We're going to be trying the wings with the blazing sauce. It's not it's not Celsius, but it's calories, and it's going to be really spicy because it's made with the ghost pepper. So let's find out. I have a very low tolerance, so it's going to be interesting. I hope they've got a toilet. Here comes the food, and these look spicy.
I say finally.
Alright, so this is
Hot sauce.
the one with the hot sauce. This one is mango habanero, and this is the blazing sauce.
Which you have come for, yes.
Yeah, I hope I'm still alive after this.
My trick, let me go. Let me go.
Alright guys, so we're ready to try out the wings. We're going to try the hot sauce first,
Okay.
move to the mango habanero, and then try the blazing sauce. Alright guys, let's tuck in.
Like this one is the spiciest.
Yeah, well, we leave that for the last.
Okay.
Okay, everybody.
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, so this is the hot sauce.
Bismillah.
So this is the hot sauce, so let's find out.
All right. How hot is? On three. 1, 2,
3. Okay, more than my tongue, my nose is hurting.
Because of this.
Okay, it's already hot.
It's really good. It's not bad. I love it.
It's really salty.
And juicy. The chicken is so much. I love the outside is crunchy. But
I
inside,
finished mine.
Actually, this is not bad. I'm still alive,
This
guys.
is
I'm
good.
still alive.
Yeah, I like this one.
Okay.
We'll need a.
It's still comforting actually.
We need a bowl. Oh, one of these.
Yeah, I'll get one of those. Hold on.
This is not bad.
It's nice, nice. Good. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so time for part 2. We're getting the mango habanero now. Alright guys, go for it.
Fine.
Alright, on one, I take the thick piece.
That's the mango habanero.
Very saucy. Yeah. Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
One. Hey, this is very sweet. What?
It's pleasant.
Mmm.
Sweet but good. No,
It's not. It's not spicy. This one was spicier than that one.
It usually takes a while to kick in.
the sweetness helps. Like it. Okay. Boy. How are you feeling?
I love the sauce.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Sweet. It's alright. You're doing good, right?
Okay, that tastes really good.
No, this one.
I'm a messy
I think
eater.
so.
We don't usually have like this kind of sauce, but this is something different.
This is very nice. I love
Not
the
a
sauce.
shame.
The one that I had last time was spicier than this.
Oh, are we all forgetting?
You're supposed to dip the carrots in.
We're not supposed to dip the wings.
Well, not really.
Okay.
So who's feeling the heat?
I
Gives the
say
scale.
5. I'm starting to get a heat.
On a scale of
Yeah.
1 to 10, I'd say
The-
4, 4.5.
Mango,
What
4. I'm pushing 7.
Mango was 4.
This is hot. This is hot.
Hot was, yeah, hot was 6.5.
Okay.
Alright.
Yay!
So we're going for the last and the spiciest wings that Buffalo Wild Wings have on offer,
Yeah.
and that is the blazing wings.
Do you see the color? Show them the color.
I'm going to give them a close-up.
You guys can't
Check
smell
this
it.
out.
The smell is so strong. It hits your nostrils.
Yeah,
It hits your nose before it tastes
Yeah.
taste buds.
so best of luck to us. Alright guys, good luck in.
Oh my god, this is the last.
I'll need more sauce, huh? I'll wipe out all the sauce from here.
Oh shit, someone's going hardcore here.
Yay! One,
I'll just take a little bit.
one,
Okay.
2, 3. Salty.
Oh, it's getting.
Oh, it's spicy.
It's spicy, it's very spicy. Oh my god. It is coming. The masala.
It's yeah. It's there. Salty and what do you call lemony, and then there is that spice.
Oh no, I can't eat anymore.
Oh my god!
Ah.
Drink.
Okay, even I gotta eat.
Not bad.
This is
I
nice.
like it. I like it, guys.
Yeah, I actually like it. Quite nice. Everyone's feeling the heat.
Drink.
That's the reason, yeah. We are strong, yeah.
Let's have the shrimp first. Come on, let's go.
We'll do the shrimp.
Let's do the shrimp.
You get the water.
Dynamite shrimps, right?
Not dynamite.
I could go in the darkness,
Yeah, exactly.
I
Wow.
hear you shouting, hear you calling, but it's not the same. Every word that you are throwing right into my back doesn't matter to me, cause I'm keeping my track.
Alright guys, so we just finished eating the blazing spicy wings. It was good. It's one of the spiciest wings that you'll find in the Eastern Province. I was okay with it, but Mr. Syed here was crying for milk. He was crying for milk. Rin actually lost the plot. She was screaming in pain. And Nomana did quite well actually. Good. So if you want to try something really challenging, head to Buffalo Wild Wings and ask for the blazing wings. And make
And also
sure,
get a glass of milk.
yeah, ask them for the milk if you are not.
No.
Very blueberry.
Yeah, if you are a lady.
But you know, you want to drink milk,
Yeah,
so that
milk-
you won't
milk is
try
fine.
the spicy.
Except don't get the drinks, just ask for milk. Alright guys, so what do you think?
Alright, so we just finished the Buffalo Wing Spicy Challenge at Buffalo Wild Wings here in Ajdan. What
Yeah.
do you guys think?
It was super good. It was the spiciest place you can get the chicken.
I don't know if I would say it was super
It was
good.
No,
okay.
I was satisfied.
No,
you
no,
know,
it was very nice.
finally a place where you can get the spicy. They tell you that it's spicy. It's spicy.
It had the ghost peppers in it, and it's quite spicy. I like my food, but it was very hard for me to.
No, honestly, if you want to try spicy, then go for that. Other than that, you have some good flavors like mango habanero, and then you have.
Just make sure that you have a glass of milk. Ask for a glass of milk. if you're
Blazin
gonna try
is the
Blazin.
one that we're the spiciest. So if you want to challenge yourself, go and try. That would be.
So guys, you heard it from the best. Buffalo Wild Wings in Ajdan Walk.
What do you think?
And you'll see the video soon enough. Alright, so that was it for the day. Ate a ton of wings. And we're all spoofed. I'm kind of full now. It's time to go home and take a little nap. I don't know how it's gonna be like in the morning, but I'm guessing it's gonna be pretty crazy. What do you guys think?
It was okay. Just make sure you have a glass of milk.
Glass of milk. Alright guys,